Have you ever held a piece of Earth's ancient history in your hands? A relic from a time when our planet looked nothing like it does today. Well, that's exactly what I've been doing for the past week. Just finished prepping this stunning Wallaceurops trilobite fossil, and let me tell you, it's been a journey. A journey of patience, precision, and a whole lot of spine-tingling excitement. Stick around, because today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of this epic fossil preparation. First, let's talk about what makes this fossil so special. Meet Wallaceurops, a trilobite that looks like it swam straight out of a sci-fi movie. This ancient marine arthropod lived over 350 million years ago during the Devonian period. And just look at it, those spines. That forked process. It's like nature decided to create the ultimate underwater warrior. Wallaceurops is one of the most otherworldly trilobites out there, and prepping this specimen has been nothing short of a paleontological adventure. Now, let's talk about the prep work. This was my first time working on a Wallaceurops, and let me tell you, it was harrowing. Freeing those delicate spines from the rock required a mix of tools, scribes, air abrasives, and rotary tools. Every spine, every detail, had to be carefully exposed without damaging the fossil. And that fork process? That alone took me 4 hours to prep. 4 hours of holding my breath, working under a microscope, and praying I didn't accidentally snap it off. In total, I spent about 24 hours prepping this piece. That's a full day of meticulous work, but every second was worth it. There's something incredibly satisfying about revealing a creature that hasn't seen the light of day for hundreds of millions of years. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Prepping a fossil like this comes with its fair share of challenges. The rock matrix was tough, and the spines were incredibly fragile. One wrong move, and I could have ruined the entire specimen. There were moments when I questioned whether I was up to the task. But that's the thing about fossil preparation, it's a test of patience, focus, and perseverance. But when you finally free that last spine, when you see the full beauty of the fossil emerge from the rock, it's an indescribable feeling. It's like you're the first person to lay eyes on this ancient creature since it roamed the Devonian seas. So, why does this matter? Why spend hours prepping a fossil that's millions of years old? Well, fossils like this are more than just cool-looking rocks. They're windows into Earth's past. They tell us about the creatures that lived long before humans, about the environments they thrived in, and about the history of life on our planet. Wallaceurops, with its unique spines and bizarre morphology, gives us clues about evolution, adaptation, and the incredible diversity of ancient marine ecosystems. And for me, personally, it's a reminder of how small we are in the grand timeline of Earth. This trilobite lived, died, and was buried in sediment long before dinosaurs even existed. And now, here it is, in my hands, a tangible connection to a world that's long gone. After a week of prep sessions, countless hours under the microscope, and a whole lot of patience, here it is, the finished Wallaceurops trilobite. Every spine, every detail, perfectly preserved. It's a testament to the beauty of nature and the dedication it takes to uncover these ancient treasures. This fossil is more than just a scientific specimen, it's a work of art. A masterpiece crafted by time, preserved by nature, and brought back to life through careful preparation. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of fossil preparation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more paleontological adventures. And let me know in the comments, what's the most fascinating fossil you've ever seen? Thanks for watching, and remember, the past is buried all around us. All it takes is a little patience and a lot of passion to uncover it.